Here we have a 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX located here in beautiful Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. This boat sits on a brand new Caravan 3,400 pound capacity single axle trailer with disc brakes. It is galvanized. The engine is a Mercruiser ECT 4.5 liter 200 horsepower multi-port injected engine with Alpha 1 stern drive. It comes complete with a dune interior, a bimini top with boot, a cockpit cover and tonneau cover, a digital depth finder, a battery on-off switch, and the upgraded cockpit infinity woven vinyl flooring. We hope that you can come and take a look